We'll guide you through how to make a GoFundMe campaign. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on a phone or a computer. So first of all, you need to go to GoFundMe.com. You can just go straight to the site or just go and search for it like so. And then what you want to do is click on Start a GoFundMe on the homepage and we can now begin. So first of all, you need to enter your country and then your postcode. Now select why you're fundraising, so select an option and then what you need to do is press continue. You need to select who you're fundraising for. You can select yourself, someone else or a charity. In this case, I'll just select myself and then click continue. And then what you need to do is go and enter a target. So in this case, I'll just go and do £10 like so. Next, you need to enter your account details. So fill all this in. You need to enter your name, email, and then password. You'll need to go and enter a phone number as well to keep your account safe. Next, you need to add a cover photo or video. So click here and your file explorer will open up. Now you need to give your fundraiser a title and tell your story. Essentially, you're telling your donors why you're fundraising. I've just done a quick example here. I'd probably say quite a lot more than this. When you're ready, click on review in the bottom right, and you can then go and see a preview. And when you're ready, you can click on launch fundraiser in the bottom right. It's now launched and we can go and share it. So you can click on share like so, and you can then grab the link and you can go and start sharing it and posting it on socials. It's that simple. If you guys found this useful, then please leave a like.